Smart U-turn can plan the whole process operation paths, including the turning around at the headlands, automatically and auto-steer the vehicle throughout the whole task operation. It can plan the headland operation appropriately, reduce the turning around distance by 30%, and improve the operation efficiency. For rectangular fields or close to rectangular fields, quadrilateral fields or close to rectangular fields with small gaps, it's whole area planning. For quadrilateral fields with large gaps, or fields with large triangular spaces, such as the polygonal fields, triangular fields, and droplet-shaped fields, only partial planning available. And this function is not applicable for too narrow fields or too small fields. To enable Smart U-turn function, tap Menu, Applications, Smart U-turn, and turn it on. It's available after activating Advanced Mode. Before using Smart U-turn, please check the turning radius. Tap Menu, Device Settings, Vehicle Library, and edit the vehicle information. Tap Edit, Next, and enter the parameters page. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right or left. Drive one lap in place. Please measure the radius of the circle formed by the outer wheel of the vehicle. Enter the measured turning radius. Tap Smart U-turn on the home page to start. You need to select the boundary at first. Tap Menu, Field, enter the field and select the boundary needed. Return to home page and tap Smart U-turn. If you didn't select the guidance line, it supports to generate the guidance line automatically. Or you can select the guidance line before start Smart U-turn. Select the guidance line direction along the short side or along the long side and tap Save. Then select the U-turn direction and select headland operation. If manual selected, the optimal path to close the headland will be your reference on the screen. Tap Save. The path planning starts. You can enjoy the auto steering mode now. Auto steer within the field without manual intervention. At the end of Smart U-turn, if you once selected manual headland operation, the reference sidelines show.